Want to know how to make this iconic Portuguese dessert? Today I'm showing you how to prepare Pudim Abade de Priscos, a rich and silky pudding made with egg yolks, port wine, and a surprising secret ingredient. Stay with me till the end for all the exclusive tips that make all the difference. Pudim Abade de Priscos. 500 milliliters of water, 500 grams of sugar, lemon peel from 1 lemon, 1 cinnamon stick, 50 grams of cured pork fat, toucinho, 18 egg yolks, 100 milliliters of port wine, liquid caramel. Place the water in a saucepan and add the sugar, lemon peel, cinnamon stick, and pork fat. Boil for 15 minutes. Turn off the heat and allow the syrup to cool slightly. Grease a pudding mold with liquid caramel. In a bowl, add the egg yolks and port wine, mixing gently. Strain the sugar syrup and slowly add it to the yolk mixture, stirring carefully. Pour the mixture into the prepared mold, cover tightly, and cook in a bain-marie for 50 minutes. Turn off the heat and let the pudding cool in the bain-marie. Unmold and serve, decorating to taste. This is Pudim Abade de Priscos, one of Portugal's most iconic conventual desserts. Rich, elegant, and unforgettable. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or what you'd like me to cook next. Faça e coma! The pork fat should only perfume the syrup, not overpower it. Avoid letting it brown. Always strain the syrup before adding it to the egg yolks for a silky, smooth texture. Stir gently when mixing the yolks to avoid incorporating air bubbles. Cover the mold tightly to prevent water from entering during the bain-marie.